All right, Lucette, so we're going to tackle on exactly what you brought here. Fabulous display. So why don't we start to the left?
Yes, so what we're here to talk about is how to get protein on a plant-based diet.
Okay.
So many times people wonder, if I eliminate my animal, my chicken, the red meat, how can I get protein? So you actually can get enough protein on a plant-based diet without eating your animal proteins. How? So you definitely want to focus on what you're eating. So that's, we've been talking about like when you eliminate some animal or some food groups, how are you getting those nutrients? So the first one we start with is protein. So your plant-based sources of protein and also some animal products. So like we mentioned, dairy and eggs can still be included in a vegetarian eating pattern. Now, if you eliminate dairy and eggs, then you have a vegan eating pattern. So where do we get our plant-based proteins? You get it from what we have here in front of us.
So let's start right here, for example.
Sure.
We have here peanut butter, I'm going to assume?
Yes, so this is any type of nut butter. This is peanut butter. So you want to stick to the recommended serving size, which is 1 to 2 tablespoons. Will give you anywhere from like 5 grams of protein. Then we have other variety of nuts. So you can choose, peanuts, almonds, walnuts. There's so many. So a typical serving can be 1/4 of a cup, and again, it'll give you about your 5 grams. And then we have chia seeds, but any type of seed that you add to like a salad, for example, also boosts your protein as well as many other nutrients. So we see fiber, we see healthy fats. Yes.
So over there, I think that's oats.
So then we move on. We have some rolled oats, and then we also have quinoa. So part of your plate, whether you're vegetarian or not, is choosing grains. So
which goes back to this right here. The oats would fall into the grains.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. So this is your whole grains is what we want to focus on, and that's that 1/2 cup to 1 cup of whole grains. And oats are a great option because they are a whole grain. Quinoa is another popular one that's not just whole grain, it's also high protein. So you get about double the protein compared to other grains. And if you're wondering how much that is, you can get anywhere from 3 to 5 grams per 1/2 cup serving of a cooked whole grain, which is awesome.